Hey, Paul from Pleasant Hills, the Western Experience. You know, there's a reason why we've been selling saddles for 50 years, and lots of them. Keep watching. So here's the reason why we're still selling saddles after 50 years. Huge selection. You don't need to surf the web to find a saddle. You come in, we'll put you in the saddle, you'll find the right saddle and it'll fit you and your horse. And talk about service, you're gonna love our service. If you have a problem with the saddle, you're not gonna have to put it in a box and ship it halfway across the country. We've got a full repair shop that'll take care of everything you need on your saddle. If we can't fix it quickly, we'll give you a loaner to use until we get it back to you. Bring your horse in. We'll actually fit the saddle right to your horse, and of course to you as well. Or can't bring your horse in, we'll come to you and assure that the saddle fits both you and your horse. And to add to that, we'll even give you 12 months free financing if you qualify, and help you buy that new saddle as easy as possible. And trade-ins, we'll take your old one in on trade. And remember, where else can you take a saddle home at no cost to you, try it out, and make sure it fits your horse? As long as it comes back the way it left, we won't charge you a dime. We're serious about helping you find the right saddle. See us at either one of our locations in Rogers or Lakeville. That's Pleasant Hills, the Western Experience. Or visit us online at thsaddle.com.